Here is a Japanese secret to make you look like a baby, to make you look like 16 years old, no matter the age you are. Keep on watching because this is going to help you greatly. Transform your skin, make your skin look younger and younger. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. Here on this channel, I share beauty tips and health tips, mostly beauty tips that will make you look younger, that will take care of skin problems, that will nourish your skin, remove skin imperfections, tighten your skin, firm your skin, and make it look naturally beautiful with no side effect. Consider subscribing if you love beauty tips. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. So I'm going to quickly list the ingredients I added in here. As you can see it, you see those dotted, stuffs in here. This is one of the ingredients that combined together, you see your skin rejuvenating, you see your skin getting more younger and younger. If you have been following me from beginning, you notice that I'm looking more younger always, like everyday young. Yes, and that is because I'm always consistent with skincare products. Like, I make sure that I use natural treatments like a foundation to treat my skin before using my natural products. So for those that are new here, I have beauty line, I have skincare products. If you want to purchase, you will love it. Purely natural. Instead of making, it will always make your skin look better for all skin types and complexion. So you can see it, I'm displaying it for you to see, and that is the number to contact if you want to order. I ship worldwide, we ship worldwide, okay, outside the country, within Nigeria, name it. So the first ingredient I added here is rice powder. So you have to make sure you get your rice powder ready. Rice powder helps greatly to nourish your skin, exfoliate your skin to remove dead skin cells. It's also an antioxidant that helps greatly to fight free radical damage that makes you age faster. You know you love it. You know you want to look younger, right? Everyone wants to look younger naturally. Rice powder is a very good ingredient that also helps to fight signs of aging like fine lines, wrinkles, deep wrinkles, matte wrinkles, and all that. It also helps to unify your complexion. It brightens your skin, like mild one, not like really brightening. It's for all skin types and complexion. Rice powder helps greatly to fight, sun damage, preventing sunburn and the rest. Okay, so go on and get it if you love it. The next ingredient I added is yogurt. Yogurt contains lactic acid. It helps to plump your skin. It helps to smoothen your skin. It helps to nourish your skin, penetrates where to build the skin layer and making your skin to look like that of a baby. So instead of this yogurt, you can make use of milk. Okay, if you have milk powder, milk liquid, you can make use of it, but I just prefer the yogurt. So the next one is thyme. Okay, like thyme you use in cooking, seasoning your meat, like steaming your meat. So thyme is just like rosemary. If you don't have thyme, you can make use of rosemary leaf. You can see it, you can see how it is. I know many of you will know it, of course. This is one of the secrets of Japanese ladies, women, making them to look more younger. In fact, all the ingredients I just listed help them greatly to look more youthful. Thyme contains powerful antioxidant. Is a herb that helps to nourish your skin. In case you have skin damage, like you have sunburn, if you have skin imperfections like blemishes, pigmentations, you can make use of thyme. Adding it into your treatment will help a lot. You can go on and blend it further to turn to a powdered form. Okay, so like I just said, this is not mainly for sunburn. Okay, do not use this treatment to treat severe sunburn. We have the product if you want to purchase, or go through my channel, just check Palmer's Beauty Sunburn. Okay, I have sunburn treatment, but this particular one can just help to prevent sunburn. Okay, get your thyme or rosemary. The next one I added is sugar. Yes, sugar contains alpha hydroxyl acid, a very powerful one that helps greatly to rejuvenate your skin, keep your skin hydrated. This is especially for those people that their skin is very dull, especially for those people that their skin is very dry. It will just help to nourish, rejuvenate your skin, make your skin to glow. Another good thing I love about sugar is because it helps to exfoliate your skin to remove dead skin cells, like revealing a bright uniform skin that glows naturally. So try to get sugar with other ingredients. So the next one is rose water. Of course, if you have been following me, you will notice that I don't miss rose water. Rose water glows the skin. Rose water is a neutral ingredient for all skin types. It helps to balance the skin pH, make your skin rejuvenated, make your skin younger, make your skin more youthful. You feed your skin with the right nutrients. Instead of water, make use of rose water. So right now it's time to show you the quantity to mix together to achieve great results. So what I did here, I added 1 tablespoon of rice powder. Okay, you can call this treatment a scrub, you can also call it a max, anyone. And I also measured in 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then I went ahead to add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Then the next one is half teaspoon, a teaspoon, half of it, of thyme or rosemary. After adding all this, you just have to mix together. If you mix this treatment together and it's thick, please go on and add rose water to make it form a smooth paste. If you mix all these ingredients and it's watery, all you have to do is just to increase the quantity of your rice powder and you're all good. So mix together thoroughly until it forms a thick paste. So it's time to show you how to apply it on your beautiful skin for best results. Just wash off all makeups, remove all dust. Of course, I don't have makeup right now and I'm loving it. So I'm going to go right now to apply it on my skin for best results. You can apply on your face and your neck together. You can apply all over your body. It works. So I'm going to go right now to apply all over my skin. Alright, so after applying this treatment, I will just leave it on for 15 minutes. You know, it depends on you though. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes or longer. To have time to penetrate deep into your skin, to have time to work better, to make your skin get good result, okay? So I'm going to leave it on for some time, then wash it out. I'll be right back. Alright, so when you have washed it out, when you have rinsed it off, you will notice a lot of improvement. Like on your first use, you notice lots of improvement. You see that your skin will get brighter, like more glowing. With consistency, you get perfect result. If you have a dry skin, please get some oils like almond oil, sunflower oil, rosehip oil. Add few drops of this into the treatment, mix together. But if you have an oily skin, you can decide to add or not. So after this, just wash it out, apply a light moisturizer or good oils, and so that it can have time to penetrate and work better. After making use of something like this, you see that your skin will be looking better. But you surely need skincare products, of course. You need body cream, you need facial creams, you need moisturizers, you need facial wash or face soap, okay? This is just like a foundation to exfoliate your skin so that other products, like good products, of course, like ours, will penetrate well and work better. Make your skin look flawlessly beautiful and younger. Using this treatment, you never regret it. So go on and try it and you love it. Use it 3 times weekly or 2 times weekly for best results. As you are rinsing it out, just be moving it. Be using your hand to exfoliate on a running water. Okay, if you want to use it all over your body, you can go on and use it all over your body. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I will see you in my next video.